bet he does. Daddy's going to tape it.
On.
Come open Grandma's present.
Come on. Yes. Do you know how to open that?
Oh, he does.
He does?
You just watch and wait.
Yes. Good.
See what you
boy.
got. What is it? Wow.
Wow, you do a good job. What is that?
Very good.
Huh?
Hayden loves to play with Lego blocks. Wow. Can you say thank you?
Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah.
Thank
like
you,
trains,
Grandma.
right?
Grandpa. Yeah. It's got the letters, the ABCs, and a kitty cat, and a little girl, and a little wheels, like a train. You want to open it?
Yes.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, here's what Nina, okay?
Let's open.
Let's get this one open, Hayden.
Maybe we need a scissor or a knife?
Here.
Yeah.
A little knife or scissor.
Wow.
Are you excited, Hayden?
Yes.
Santa
like
Claus
this
came
now, huh?
here, didn't he? Did Santa Claus come to Grandma and Grandpa's house?
Is Hayden a good boy? Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Can you give Grandma a hug?
Come on.
Give
Hayden,
Grandma a hug.
Hayden, give Grandma a hug, okay?
Come on. Give Grandma a hug.
He likes it. He wants to play with it right away.
Oh, there's a drum there. Oh.
Yeah.
Here's-
No, that's not
Do you
yours.
want to help me? You can help me open this one.
Oh, if you want to
Okay,
open
Daddy, you can.